Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on an unforgettable adventure as we explore the captivating state of Texas. From its vibrant cities to its breathtaking landscapes, Texas has it all, and I can't wait to share this incredible journey with you. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our amazing travel community. Let's dive right in. Hold on tight as we tour popular destinations like Austin, San Antonio, Dallas, Houston, and Fort Worth. From live music to historic charm, each city offers its own unique flair and must-see attractions. Our first stop on this Texan adventure is the vibrant city of Austin. Known as the live music capital of the world, this city never disappoints. South Congress Avenue is a bustling hub of eccentric shops, local boutiques, and tantalizing food trucks. The vibrant street art adds a splash of color to the city's creative energy. And when the sun sets, brace yourself for a magical moment as thousands of bats emerge from under the Congress Avenue Bridge, painting the sky in a breathtaking display. Next, we head to San Antonio, a city steeped in history and cultural richness. The Alamo, a symbol of Texan independence, stands as a reminder of the city's historical significance. A leisurely stroll along the river walk, adorned with charming cafes and picturesque scenery, is a delightful way to soak in the city's ambiance. In the heart of the Texas Hill Country lies the charming town of Fredericksburg. Known for its German heritage, Fredericksburg exudes a European flair with its architecture, cuisine, and wine culture. Take a leisurely stroll along Main Street, lined with delightful shops, art galleries, and delicious German bakeries. For wine enthusiasts, Fredericksburg is a true delight, boasting numerous wineries and tasting rooms that produce some of Texas's best wines. Venturing to the eastern part of the state, we arrive in Houston, a dynamic metropolis that offers an impressive museum district. From classic art to scientific wonders, the Museum of Fine Arts, the Houston Museum of Natural Science, and the Children's Museum provide an immersive experience for all ages. And for those who dream of reaching for the stars, a visit to the NASA Space Center Houston will make your interstellar fantasies come to life. Moving on to Dallas, prepare to be dazzled by its modern architecture and thriving art scene. The Dallas Arts District is a true masterpiece, home to world-class institutions like the Dallas Museum of Art and the Nasher Sculpture Center. And for history buffs, the sixth-floor museum at Dealey Plaza offers a poignant and informative journey through the life of President John F. Kennedy. Heading south to the coastal city of Corpus Christi, prepare to indulge in mouth-watering seafood delights. Located along the Gulf of Mexico, Corpus Christi offers an array of fresh seafood restaurants and oyster bars. Try the Gulf shrimp grilled redfish or a classic seafood boil for a true taste of the coast. Next, we'll make our way to the island paradise of South Padre Island. With its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and a wide range of water activities, it's a beach lover's dream come true. Whether you're into surfing, parasailing, or simply relaxing on the sandy shores, South Padre Island has it all. Heading north to Fort Worth, famously known as the City of Cowboys and Culture, embrace the Western spirit as you witness live cattle drives at the Fort Worth stockyards, an authentic nod to the city's cattle ranching past. Enjoy thrilling rodeo performances and soak in the ambiance of this historical district. For art lovers, the Kimbell Art Museum and the Modern Art Museum of Fort Worth are must-visit destinations, showcasing an impressive collection of art from various periods and genres. Now let's venture west to the charming city of El Paso, located at the westernmost tip of Texas, right on the border with Mexico. El Paso's rich Hispanic heritage is reflected in its cuisine, arts, and cultural festivals. Don't miss the opportunity to savor delicious, authentic Mexican street food and explore the historic Mission Trail, which showcases the region's Spanish colonial history. Step back in time to the Wild West in Laredo and Lubbock and embrace the artistic spirit of Austin. Texas is a melting pot of traditions and expressions. As we dive deeper into Texan culture, we must explore the state's rich heritage of rodeos. Fort Worth hosts one of the oldest and most prestigious rodeos in the world, the Fort Worth Stock Show and Rodeo. Experience the thrill of bull riding, barrel racing, and roping, and immerse yourself in the cowboy culture that has shaped Texas's identity. Beyond the rodeo, the state's love for country music can be experienced in venues throughout Texas, from intimate honky-tonks to massive concert arenas. Whether it's classic country tunes or the latest hits, Texans sure know how to two-step and line dance the night away. Another aspect of Texan culture worth exploring is its deep-rooted connection to the Wild West era. In historic towns like Bandera, the cowboy capital of the world, you can witness living history with cowboy reenactments, chuckwagon meals, and horseback rides. Experience the cowboy way of life and gain an appreciation for the resilience and spirit of the early settlers. And let's not forget about the annual tradition of the Texas State Fair in Dallas. This iconic event showcases the best of Texan culture, from deep-fried delicacies like funnel cakes and fried Oreos to thrilling rides and live entertainment. The highlight of the fair is the iconic Big Tex, a 55-foot-tall cowboy statue that welcomes visitors with a friendly, "Howdy folks." Indulge in mouth-watering Tex-Mex delights of San Antonio barbecue in Lockhart and German-inspired treats in Fredericksburg. Texas is a food lover's paradise. Texas is not just a feast for the eyes. It's a gastronomic paradise that will delight your taste buds. As we venture into the charming city of San Antonio, be sure to try their iconic Tex-Mex creations. Indulge in sizzling fajitas, loaded nachos, and cheesy enchiladas served with a side of flavorful refried beans and guacamole. Don't forget to spice it up with some tangy salsa. And enjoy a refreshing margarita to complement your meal. In Houston, a melting pot of cultures, you'll find an eclectic culinary scene that caters to every palate. Whether you're craving authentic Vietnamese pho, mouth-watering Indian curries, or savory Mediterranean delights, Houston's diverse neighborhoods offer a world of flavors to explore. Heading north to Fort Worth, embrace the cowboy spirit by sinking your teeth into tender and juicy Texas-style steaks. Known for their love of beef, Texans take their steaks seriously, and you'll find no shortage of top-notch steakhouses offering the finest cuts cooked to perfection. Pair it with a baked potato loaded with butter and sour cream, and you've got a truly Texan feast. Texas is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of thrilling activities and natural wonders to explore. Let's dive deeper into the state's exciting outdoor adventures. For adrenaline junkies, the city of New Braunfels is a must-visit destination. Here you can experience the thrilling rush of whitewater rafting on the Guadalupe River or the Como River. These waterways offer exhilarating rapids and refreshing dips in crystal-clear waters, making it a perfect destination for a summer adventure. Heading south to the Rio Grande Valley, the Benson Rio Grande Valley State Park awaits with its breathtaking landscapes and world-class birdwatching opportunities. The park is part of the World Birding Center, attracting a plethora of migratory birds and local species. Hike through the park's trails and keep your binoculars handy to spot colorful birds, including the striking green jays and the brilliant Altamira orioles. For those seeking a unique and otherworldly experience, the Monahans Sandhills State Park offers a mesmerizing sea of sand dunes in the heart of West Texas. Explore the vast desert landscape on foot or rent a sandboard or sled to slide down the dunes for a thrilling ride. And let's not forget about the iconic Palo Duro Canyon State Park, the second largest canyon in the United States. This breathtaking natural wonder provides an array of outdoor activities, from hiking and mountain biking to horseback riding and camping under the starry Texas sky. The Lighthouse Trail leads to an iconic rock formation resembling a lighthouse, offering a rewarding hike and an excellent photo opportunity. In the northern part of Texas, the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge in Oklahoma, just across the border, offers a stunning and unexpected escape into a rugged landscape of rocky peaks and rolling plains. The refuge provides opportunities for hiking, rock climbing, and wildlife photography. Keep an eye out for the resident bison herd, as well as elk, prairie dogs, and golden eagles soaring above. And for a truly unique experience, consider visiting Enchanted Rock State Natural Area during a full moon. Join the guided night hikes to the summit, and you'll be rewarded with an awe-inspiring view of the surrounding landscape illuminated by the moonlight. Heading to the far west of Texas, the Guadalupe Mountains National Park offers some of the most challenging and rewarding hiking opportunities in the state. Conquer the Guadalupe Peak Trail, the highest point in Texas, and be rewarded with stunning panoramic views from the summit. The park's rugged terrain, diverse flora, and ancient fossil reef make it a must-visit destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. In the eastern part of Texas, the Big Thicket National Preserve beckons with its diverse ecosystem and unique plant and animal life. Explore the network of hiking trails that wind through swampy bayous, dense forests, and expansive savannas. The preserve is a paradise for birdwatchers, as it serves as a critical stopover for migratory birds during their journeys. Texas's diverse landscapes provide a haven for an incredible variety of wildlife. As we continue our Texan adventure, let's explore more of the state's fascinating creatures. In the southernmost part of Texas, you'll find the enchanting Santa Ana National Wildlife Refuge. This biodiverse sanctuary is a paradise for birdwatchers, with over 400 species of birds calling it home. Keep an eye out for the vibrant green jays, the elusive Altamira orioles, and the striking rose-throated beckards. The refuge also provides habitat for an array of reptiles, butterflies and mammals, making it a must-visit for any nature enthusiast. Venturing west to the vast Chihuahuan Desert, you'll have a chance to encounter one of the most iconic residents of the region, the Roadrunner. Known for its lightning-fast speed and quirky appearance, the greater Roadrunner is a bird that has captured the imagination of many, including featuring in cartoons. Another fascinating creature that inhabits the desert and semi-arid regions of Texas is the elusive bobcat. Though rarely spotted, these stealthy and agile felines roam the state's wilderness, preying on small mammals and birds. Keep your eyes peeled and you might just catch a glimpse of one in its natural habitat. For those who enjoy marine life, the Gulf of Mexico offers a rich and diverse ecosystem. Padre Island National Seashore is a prime nesting ground for endangered sea turtles, including the Kemp's Ridley leatherback and loggerhead turtles. Witnessing these gentle giants coming ashore to lay their eggs is a truly awe-inspiring experience and a testament to Texas's commitment to conservation efforts. In the far west of Texas, the Guadalupe Mountains National Park is home to an array of unique creatures, including the magnificent elk. Observing these majestic creatures against the backdrop of rugged mountain landscapes is a memorable experience that will stay with you forever. As we near the Mexican border, you might be lucky enough to spot the beautiful and elusive ocelot. One of the rarest and most endangered wildcats in the United States, the ocelot's striking coat and distinctive spots make it a sight to behold for any wildlife enthusiast. Texas plays a vital role in the conservation of this species, and glimpsing one of these magnificent cats in the wild is a true privilege. Before you embark on your Texan adventure, let's go over some essential travel tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Firstly, be prepared for the diverse climate. Texas is a big state, and weather conditions can vary significantly from region to region. Summers can be scorching, especially in the central and southern areas, so stay hydrated and protect yourself from the sun with sunscreen and a wide-brimmed hat. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, as you'll be exploring various landscapes and city streets. Whether you're hiking through national parks or strolling along the river, your feet will thank you. With so much to see and do, planning ahead is essential. Research the popular attractions, dining spots, and outdoor activities that interest you the most. This way you can make the most of your time and ensure you don't miss any of the highlights. And of course, don't forget your camera to capture all those unforgettable moments. Whether it's a stunning sunset over the desert landscape, a playful armadillo crossing your path, or the excitement of live music in Austin, you'll want to preserve these memories forever. Now let's uncover more hidden gems that will add an extra dash of excitement to your Texan adventure. In the city of Amarillo, you'll find the quirky and iconic Cadillac Ranch. This public art installation features 10 brightly painted Cadillac cars buried nose first in the ground, creating a surreal and eye-catching sight that's perfect for unique photo opportunities. For a trip back in time, head to the small town of Greene near New Braunfels. This charming historic district is a throwback to the 19th century with its beautifully preserved buildings, antique shops, and the oldest dance hall in Texas. Dance the night away to live country music at Greene Hall, where countless famous musicians have graced the stage. Venturing further south to the coastal town of Port Aransas, you'll discover the serene and secluded Mustang Island State Park. This hidden gem offers miles of unspoiled beaches, dunes and marshlands, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a peaceful retreat. As we near the Mexican border, consider exploring the quirky and offbeat town of Terlingua, nestled in the vast expanse of the Big Bend region. This ghost town turned artist community offers a fascinating blend of desert landscapes and artistic expression. Stroll through the eclectic art galleries and immerse yourself in the laid-back atmosphere of this truly unique Texan gem. Wow, what an incredible journey through Texas it has been! From the vibrant cities to the serene natural beauty, this state truly has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, a foodie, or a nature lover, Texas has it all. If you enjoyed this video and want more exciting travel content, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite Texas experiences. Finally, show some love by giving this video a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to me, and it motivates me to create more amazing content for you. Thanks for joining me on this extraordinary journey through the Lone Star State. Until next time, keep exploring and stay enthusiastic. Bye, y'all!